Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist, and I'm here today to show you another treasure that I found. I'm so excited. I was so excited when I found this, and this little item is meant to be shared. So I made it into a digital kit so that you all can have one of these. This is from 1899 and 1900, a lady's notebook and calendar. And look at the beautiful color on it. Here's the front. Here's the back. And this was a piece of advertising for Dr. Pierce. He apparently was one of the very first physicians to actually advertise and mass market drugs for medical purposes. And he was famous for his salves, and it's kind of funny because this is meant for women, and there's a bunch of testimonials in here, and all of the women, unfortunately, here's some testimonials, and they've signed their name. Let's see. And they've signed their name. But the women talk about how wonderful they felt on this medication, and of course it was loaded with alcohol and opium, and a lot of this his medications were for pregnant women, unfortunately. So, but it's no wonder they felt really good on his medication. So, it's a lady's notebook and calendar is the title page, and um, then throughout there are calendar pages. This one, if it will focus, come on. There we go. Whoops, I moved. Come on, camera. Sorry. Well, anyway, this one is January 1899 to February 1899. And it has little calendar pages all throughout. It also has wise welcome words to women. I didn't include every single page in the kit because some of the content is just probably not something you would have in a junk journal. For example, this one talks about suppositories, and there's another one on constipation. So I did not include things like that were sort of undesirable subjects. Um, so anyway, it's beautiful. It has some beautiful images inside. This was his medical institute in Buffalo, New York. When he became so big because of his medications, he opened this big medical and surgical facility. So it was really a treasure that I found this, and it's almost in perfect condition. This book measures about 3.5, well, yeah, about 3.5 by 5.5. So what I did was I made it into a digital kit. The kit is not black and white. I ran out of color ink when I was printing this, but this gives you an idea of how it will print. Let me zoom out just one time here. I think that will be better. Okay. So it prints out on regular 8.5 by 11 paper, and I put 4 images per sheet. So what you can do then is cut this down. Whoopsie. This is the front and back cover. So you can cut that down like that and then fold it. And then you have the front and back cover. And then the rest of them you'll probably have to cut individually. and they cut down to this nice size. And either put them on paper or put them in like this, however you want to do it, but they'll all fit in there. Excuse me, this particular book here is simply stapled in the middle with some nice rusty staples. So it's just stapled. And you can do the same thing and have a really beautiful booklet. There's one sheet of calendar pages in there for you, and just some miscellaneous. I didn't print out the whole kit, but there's, I believe, 22 total images. This here would count as an image. So there's, I think, 6 pages, 6 8.5 by 11 sheets with four images on each page for a total of 24. So you'll have a little booklet that will have the front and back cover and then 22 pages inside. So that is my new kit. This book is too beautiful for me to just hoard it. I wanted to share it with you all. I hope you really like it. She's just beautiful. The colors are beautiful. Again, it's not in black and white when you print it, although you could print in black and white. So thanks for watching, and I'll put the link down below, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.